What's good, everyone? I'm Wyatt from Streetwise, and today we have something really special for you from Arturia, the brand new Minilab 3. Let's check out what the new Minilab has to offer. For those of you who don't know, Arturia is a French electronics company founded in 1999. The company designs and manufactures audio interfaces, electronic musical instruments including software synthesizers, drum machines, analog synthesizers, Midi controllers, and sequencers. Minilab 3 is a compact, portable Midi keyboard and pad controller that gives you everything you need to make music right out of the box. So let's see what's inside. We have the Minilab 3. We have a USB-A to right angle C cable. And we have our registration card, which is very important to take advantage of all the great software that you just acquired. So the first thing we're going to notice from the Minilab 2 to the Minilab 3 is our mini display and browser, which has this clickable knob, which is going to allow us to explore presets and settings from our DAW, Analog Lab, and other Arturia software. You'll also see we have 4 multifunction faders. We also have the hold/chord button, hold mode for holding notes in place, or in chord mode for playing multiple notes with a single key. Some things you may recognize from Minilab 2. We have our shift button. We have our octave up and down buttons, which will transpose not just by octaves, but by semitones as well. We've got a pitch bin and a modulation touch strip. We've got 25 velocity sensitive slim keys. We have 8 multicolor velocity and pressure sensitive pads, as well as we have 8 encoders. Now, if we look at the back of the controller, we now have USB-C, which is bus powered. No drivers needed. We're just going to plug and play and we're ready to go. We have a control port here for a foot switch, a sustain or expression pedal. And we also have MIDI out, 5-pin MIDI out. We can connect external synthesizers, external gear, which I think is a super cool feature on such a small controller. Let's go over the great bundle of software included with your Minilab 3. We're going to get Analog Lab Intro, which has 500 of the best synth and keyboard sounds from Arturia's V collection, from organs to pianos, synthesizers, and cutting-edge modern sounds. And not to mention, this is all going to integrate with our Minilab 3 seamlessly. You also get Ableton Live Lite, which is one of the most popular DAWs out there for producing, making beats, and performing live. And as an Ableton certified trainer myself, if you aren't currently using it after trying out Ableton Live Lite, I think there's a good chance you might be switching over. Also, you get Native Instruments The Gentleman, which is a state-of-the-art sample-based recreation of an upright piano. You get UVI Model D, which is a Steinway Model D plugin. You also get 2 months of Loop Cloud subscription free, and Melodics subscription and bonus lessons, all included with your Minilab 3. The Minilab 3 is perfect for any producer or beat maker that has limited space in their studio or creative space, or someone who wants to maybe throw a controller in their backpack when they're going on the go or when you're traveling. I personally bring one with me whenever I travel, and all I need other than it to make music is my computer and a set of headphones. Minilab 3 has a map of $109. It's available right now. Check out the links in the description for a list of our recommended authorized dealers. If you like this video, give us a like and leave us a comment. And if you want to see more content about the latest gear, subscribe to our channel and ring that bell so you don't miss out. I'm Wyatt from Streetwise, guys. See you next time.